Okay, it is bright and early in the morning, and we are heading up to Boulder, Colorado today. So we are actually heading up there to hang out with NASA and do a NASA social for the launch of the GOLD mission, which is the global scale observations of the limb and disc. Gonna kind of run over this real quick for you. We'll probably learn a lot more about it later. So this is just a brief overview. So this is a NASA mission that will fly an ultraviolet imaging spectrograph on a geostationary satellite to measure the densities and temperatures in Earth's thermosphere and ionosphere. So pretty cool stuff to think about here. So the key here is to provide some answers and maybe even some more questions as to what is the global response of the thermosphere and ionosphere to forcing the integrated Sun-Earth system. So obviously a lot goes into that. I actually applied for the NASA social program and was accepted, possibly because of my YouTube channel, so thank you all. And I figured I might as well get involved because I've always been really interested in space. This is a great time. This is actually an event here in Boulder, so it's super close. And hopefully it can get us a little prepped for a Falcon Heavy launch that we will be at later this year. Can't wait for that one. That should be pretty awesome stuff. So definitely just enjoying this scenic drive up to Boulder now, and then we'll just kind of hang out there, be there pretty much all day. I will film as much as I can, and then we'll recap after. Okay, we have arrived at campus, so let's go ahead and go check in.
Unité, top. Allumage rotor-vulcain. Allumage EAP, top décollage.
Okay, so just got back to my car. Wow, so much info, so much cool things going on. I'm gonna do a recap, but I wanna go ahead and get home first, and then we'll go ahead and do the recap. Okay, it is actually a new day. I had to go run some errands after the event and had to go meet up with some friends, so we are back, but I wanted to go over some things real quick. So we learned a ton while we were there. Basically, this is the first NASA mission to fly on a commercial satellite. So this was a huge deal, and possibly a lot more collaborations coming in the future, which is great to see. So basically, this mission will examine the response of the upper atmosphere to forces from the sun, which is super important because this is actually a spot where most of our satellites live. So a lot of our communication satellites and everything are in this part of the atmosphere. So if we know more about it, we could potentially put different satellites up, make sure that we maintain them up and they don't fall, all kinds of cool stuff. So definitely a sweet event, and can't thank everybody enough for having me out. But if you do have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer them. If I don't know the answer, I do know some great resources who will definitely be able to answer that for us. But that is basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. Break down all of Tesla's inventory in a very easy to use and search manner. And also, if you're looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website, and I'll put it up in the little iCard right here. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your car, which does expire this Wednesday, January 31st. No idea if they're going to renew the program, but if you are looking for free unlimited supercharging, now is a great time to place your order. And if you do use our referral code, definitely send me an email through the website. That way I have your contact information, so that when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out or try to meet up with you with our road trip. So we can do some test drives and test rides, because without you guys, none of this would really be possible. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.